welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be just me packing down my whole house for the holidays and actually, putting together my Valentine themed decor for the house. So you guys are gonna see a lot of different clips, bits and pieces, because I'm gonna be breaking this up between days. I don't think I could do this all in one night, one day, because I work at the same time. So much going on. But yes, let's get started and just enjoy the ride, right? And also stay tuned. I will be doing you guys will be seeing a DIY video of a lot of the things that I've created for my home decor as well. And that video will be most likely February 5th. So stay tuned for that as well. So let's just get started. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, I'm started to pack down my living room. So most of this video, well, the majority of this video is basically just me decorating my living room for Valentine's Day. So at the moment, I'm packing down my Christmas tree, taking off all the ornaments and everything like that on it. You guys know that Christmas time coming, the best time, the funnest part is putting it up and together. The not fun part is actually taking everything down. So that's me right now, just, breaking down the whole entire tree and just, putting all the ornaments in the bin that I usually have everything organized in. As you guys can see, I still have my gifts underneath the tree. I'll move that last. I'm bringing the box out for the tree, and I'm just going to start breaking it up. Because you know how every layer is connected, with the light. So I'm plugging each light and then folding it up. Oh my gosh. You guys see all of this snow and everything? It is impossible for me to dust all of this out. And that's why I put a mask on, because I was preparing myself for the amount of snow that was going to be on this tree when I broke it down. So that's why you guys saw all of that snow hitting the camera. So yeah, it's fun putting it all together, like I said, but when it comes to taking it down, it is definitely a piece of work, a whole lot of work. So as you guys can see, all of my ornaments is still piled up in the corner there. And then I have this whole bin with just all of my ornament, and that is not even the only bin that I have. I have a few of them. I got some mesh in the corner, and then you see my whole dress it's completely white from all of the dust or the snow. So I pack up the tree, I move the box, and now I'm gonna just actually start packing up all of the gifts, moving them aside and out of the way. So now I'm gonna just start vacuuming up the area, get all that snow that fell all off my carpet and everything like that. And then I'm just gonna move this bin that I originally had there, that I moved on the other side of my living room in order to put the tree there. So I'm just moving that bin back. And then right here, you guys are actually seeing me put these nice heart stickers on the candles that goes into those candle holders on that bin. A lot of people call it my drums. When they come over, they're like, "Oh, look at drums." Honestly, if you bang it, it really feels like a drum. The gold, with the white, with the gold base, right? So yeah, I'm putting these stickers on the candle just to give it that nice little Valentine touch. And I got this really pretty heart tray decor set from a friend for Christmas. And I said, you know what? Let me utilize it as a part of my decor. Throughout this video, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I probably changed the look of that side table a couple times because I was undecided as to what I wanted to do. So you're gonna see me change that a couple times. So here for the moment, I decided to put a little bit of candies you know, on the little heart tray. I'm most likely gonna change it. All right, so now you guys see me pack up my couch. I have all of these pillow covers that I use to change up the decor and the look. So I'm actually going to be switching them all out and covering them up with new pillow covers to the colors that actually match the, of course, Valentine's theme with the red and the pink, and of course some gold, of course. And just to let you guys know, I actually got these covers from Amazon, and they come in a set of 2. So I just try to do a little bit of a mix match, a little bit of a set. And I'm the type of person that I like when things are unison and they match, and have some kind of pattern. So I try to make sure that I have at least 2 of everything. As you guys can see, I have a whole bunch of different colors. So I got like a deep red, I got a bright red, I got the pinks with the gold, of course the reds with the gold, you know, so it's all going to be nice mix and match. And like I said, a lot of these pillow covers, this is more convenient than you actually buy new pillows, because new pillows are expensive nowadays. So why not get just covers and switch it all out, give it a whole new look. Alright, so now I'm just going to lay out the pillows on the couch the way that I want them to look. I'm probably going to change it around a couple times because I know myself. It has to have a certain pattern and concept behind it. Alright, so there we go. Right, and then I'm going to put this nice little pink throw cover just to give the couch a little extra accent. So now these are my accent chairs. So I put the red ones, bright red ones, on these accent chairs, just to give that, you know, that extra Valentine's Day touch. Now, as you guys can see, I started to change up the side table a little bit more, because I said, you know what, let me move that tray. I'm gonna find another place to put it, and add an extra touch with that tray. And funny thing is, I stood there for a while and I decided to add something else and change it again. Now, I got this sign from Michael's. I'm going to put in the description exactly what it says. So that way you guys, because I think it says, welcome to our home. This is real. This is love. This is life. This is us. That's what it says. So I just thought I was going to add like a nice little sign up above, just to add a little touch, you know, because the space was a little bit bare. Now, just to let you guys know, I'm a very decluttered type of person. I like when things are super spacious. So if I can have the most minimal things on the wall or in certain areas, I try to avoid that. Keep it, you know, a more open space concept. So you guys will notice that there's certain areas in my house that it's kind of bare, because I like the space. I like the idea. If I want to add something, I add an extra touch. I have that room and that capacity to do so, and then I take it down. So yes, now I'm decorating my my bookshelf, my stand. So I got these nice little glass bottle vases from Home Goods. So I just decided to add some, you know, some pink, some reds. This Mr. and Mrs. sign I got when I got married, and I've been using it as a part of my decor ever since. It's been almost 4 years since I got married. Right, a lot of the flowers that you guys see that I'm going to be using is actually Dollar Tree flowers. I think I bought out the whole entire Dollar Tree with their flowers when I was doing this decor. So I'm not going to entirely finish this book stand yet. I'm probably going to come back to it. The next day I did this decor in the matter of time span of 2 days. So now you guys gonna see like a smaller area here, where this is where my stand is, and I put a couple of my home decor in there in the case. Some of my charger plates, everything like that. So I always just like to make sure that this table has that nice simple decor look. So I have my lamp that I always keep there, my tray. I added like a nice little pretty glass pink rose gold votive there. And then I have this gold vase that I always put, tall vase that I always put in that tray. And I change out the flowers to, of course, to match the theme and the concept. That almost fell, if you guys saw that. But it's a pretty solid vase, so it wouldn't have broke. And I have carpet. As you guys can see, I'm actually starting to wipe down my coffee table. Got this coffee table from Overstock. I had it for maybe like a year or two now. It still lasted. I'm wiping down my TV stand. I'm gonna put some of these little vases that I created on the TV stand, and then of course I have like a duplicate of that nice vase that you guys saw that I put on top of my bookshelf to put on the little coffee table in between my accent chairs. Now on my coffee table, you guys see like I put one of the heart trays. I created that little centerpiece with the fur, and then of course those vases to match the theme and the concept. Now, as you guys see, I changed my outfit, so this is a new day. I'm finishing up my bookshelf, putting everything that's pink and red that goes with the theme. And then now I'm just gonna do like a final vacuum of the area. Make sure that, everything is to my liking, nice and neat. Any dust or anything like that is off the floors. Now the next thing I'm going to do, as you guys see, vacuuming is around my dining table. So my dining area is at the exact directly opposite my living room. So as you guys can see, has its own little section area. I'm wiping on the table, putting on, microfiber tablecloth, waterproof. I got my little fur pink runner. Got my red little placemats, my rose gold charger plates. I got some rose gold sequins, napkins and some flowers. The centerpiece I created, I designed it, and there's going to be another video that shows what I did. And then the votives in the back with the flowers in it, I also created that as well. So a lot of the theme of the table itself, a lot of the times I reuse a lot of the decor and a lot of my glasses and my votives, because it goes all the theme, and you don't want to keep buying. So I'm going to show you guys a close-up of my dining table, so that way you guys can see exactly how it looks on the close-up. Right, so you guys see the close-up of the napkins, the flowers, of course the wine glasses, the Moscow Mule that you guys will always see. You guys see a close-up of the centerpiece. I created that from scratch with the mirrors and the flowers, and that is Dollar Tree flowers that I use. So it actually looks like a bed of roses, but it's Dollar Tree flowers. Also Dollar Tree flowers on the white pillars in the back. Right, so there you guys have it, my home decor. You saw the living room, every pieces of accents that I've added to it, and you see, of course, my dining area as well. I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. And if you guys have any questions on what the decor is, please feel free to comment.